Here I've got HTC Desire 19 Plus, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and pick sound, and here you have to click on phone ringtone right here. So let me show you all of the ringtones that you can use in HTC Desire 19 Plus, starting with this one. Let me volume it up a bit. And these are all possibilities that you can use, and let me just, for example, invention, tap on OK then, and as you can see, it has been changed. So that would be all. That's how you can change the ringtone in your HTC. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.